everything that they sent out shall and will be returned. I feel like this individual done a lot of manipulation behind the background. It keeps coming up in the readings, TikTok family member, but Spirit is saying that this person used the art of persuasion. Like, they may have gossiped about you. I don't want to trigger anyone, but those that know, right? But I feel as if this individual could be part of your community. Like, you could live in a certain area or something along them lines. I'm hearing the word glamour magic. It's almost as if this person tried to gossip about your personality, tried to gossip about who you are as a person to make other people, move away from you. But I feel like whatever this person has been saying about you, people are looking at them sideways. People are looking at them as though they are unstable. People are looking at them as though they are obsessed with you. And they are actually, in fact, obsessed with you because they literally cannot keep your name out of their mouth. And people are starting to be concerned, or people will start being concerned. I feel like this person is making it extremely obvious that they are trying to come up against you, that they're trying to compete with you. We've got the Five of Wands in the reverse. So this person is fixated on you. It's definitely a one-sided beef. And this is one of the reasons why people will feel like something is up with this person, because they will just see that you're going on your own way. You're not really paying this person no mind. You're focused on yourself. You're focused on your growth, on your goals. But they will sense, or for some of you, I feel like this person's going to be caught spying on you. There's something about this person trying to keep abreast of what you're doing, when you're doing, who you're doing it with, whatever case it is, right? But I feel as if this individual is very, very fixated on you, your energy. They've become a fan, and it's going to become very apparent that other people are going to sense that there's something off. Because if you don't like someone, why do you keep talking about them? Why do you keep, trying to find out what they're doing? Why is it that every time you talk to someone, their name gets brought up? Someone's going to actually pull them up on this. Someone's going to actually call them out and say, look, you need to stop, and what I'm picking up is that people are going to start gossiping about this individual, is what I'm picking up right here. And they're going to be gossiping about this person's mental health and how they cannot hold things together. And that's one of the reasons why this person has been fixated on you, because they feel that you are valued. They feel that you are very stable. They feel like you got all your ducks in a row, because you are not a person that, may go around telling others about what's going on in your life, even if it is affecting you. But this person may feel as if, everything's going well for you and everything's going wrong for them. So what they have been trying to do, or what they are doing, is that they're trying to, gossip about you so that people can feel very, discontented around you. They want people to feel like you're non-trustworthy. And the thing is, what this person's going to actually do, for some of you, is someone in your family. Unfortunately, this is someone in your family that has always been competing with you. Maybe this person is competing with you because you, in their view, have a better house than them, or you're more stable. For some of you, unfortunately, you could be going through some issues with your family. You could be going through some issues with a partner. Maybe you've broken up with a partner. Maybe your partner and yourself has separated, and this individual was so happy to hear about this news, right? Maybe some of you are moving home and this person is gossiping about it. And the thing is, right, everything that they have said about you, people are thinking the same thing about them, because you're actually loved, you're actually liked, people actually look up to you, and you are somebody that's very stable. So even if things are not going well in your life right now, you will land on your feet. You're one of the chosen ones. Like, Spirit has not forgotten about you. If you're going through a cycle right now, it's for your spiritual growth. I know it's easier said than done. It must be extremely painful, but Spirit has not given up on you. Spirit knows that you can weather this storm, and your blessings will be bountiful. But I feel as if, this person is doing themselves a disservice by trying to speak ill on your name, because people will start speaking in on their name. People respect you. No one does not respect this individual. So the more they talk about you, the more they try and spy on you, whatever the case is, the more it's going to backfire. And I also feel like this person has been trying to dig up on your relationship. And what's going to happen is people are going to be digging up in their relationship. This person's been trying to compete with you. People are going to be trying to compete with them. Okay. And I also feel like this person, they could be trying to isolate you in some way, and they're going to find that they're being isolated from maybe a group, a club, or organization. They wanted you to feel left out. They didn't want people to embrace you. People are not going to want to embrace them because of their behavior and their fixation on you and what they've been saying. People are going to feel like, if this person is talking about you, my dear viewer, what are they saying about me? This person is exposing themselves that they're non-trustworthy, that they're erratic, that they're chaotic, that they lack morals. This person has been gossiping about your love life, and they're going to face a lot of drama in their love life. There's a lot of arguments going on in their relationship right now. They may catch their partner staring at someone. Oops. But there's a lot of drama going on in their relationship right now. Either they're on the verge of a breakup, or they've broken up with their partner. There's lack of chemistry, but I feel like this is the type of person that will stay in a relationship just to say that they're not alone. But I feel like there's a lot of drama going on in their relationship right now. Their partner is not open. Their partner's not loving towards them. The partner doesn't want no parts, to be quite fair with you. There's a lack of love, and I feel like this is one of the reasons why this person fixated on you, because they see that you are loved. Maybe you have got a partner right now, or maybe there's someone that is interested in you, or maybe they feel like you have the qualities and attributes to gain love, and this is one of the reasons why they're very angry, and they just feel like people want to move away from them, and they feel like it's not fair, so I don't even feel like you even, entertain this person. This is like a sport brat. Maybe this person was sport by their parents or something, called their mum or something, but when it comes to you, they feel you are a direct threat to their happiness, to their blessings, but everything they wish for you. So maybe they try to, wish for your relationship to end, or for someone not to like you. Then what is happening to them right now, or what will actually happen, is that their partner's going to leave them, or they're going to be trapped in a relationship where there's a lack of love, where their partner's always, I don't know, like just basically showing them that they don't want to be with them in numerous ways, and on a conscious level, they're going to know that. But unfortunately, they're going to think that it's your fault. Do you know what I mean? Because they feel like you've got all these blessings. They see you as someone that, like I mentioned, has all these blessings. They don't realize what goes on behind the scenes. They feel also very sad because there's a lot of things that haven't worked out for them. They're not where they want to be, but that's not your fault. You just have to keep trying. But this person doesn't see things like that. This person likes to take shortcuts. And I feel like because this person's extremely unhappy, taking out on you, they are refusing to maybe end the relationship or the connection that they're in. They're in a cycle where they need to close it out. This could be a relationship, this could be a job, this could be a living situation or something along them lines. But they feel like there's no way out, and this is why they're unhappy. And this is why they focused and fixated on you. It's almost as if like it's recycled uh recycled trauma. Like they're trying to project their pain onto you so that they don't have to work through what they need to work through. They're in refusal mode is what I'm picking up. You see, we've got the 10 of swords in the reverse. 10 of swords in the upright will mean that there is an ending. This person is doing this to themselves. They're refusing to end something. I feel like it could be a relationship. This is coming through very strongly. Or it could be, wanting to go towards a passion or a goal. They're having all these excuses as to why they can't go towards it. And when they see you flourishing, when they see you going towards your passion and your goals, and when they see you being happy, high vibrational, living your best life, they're very angry. When they see you getting blessings, they're very angry. And this is part of this person's karma, actually, is to see you happy, abundant, living out your purpose, in good health, and receiving offers, receiving gifts, being stable. If they try to, come in between a connection or a job opportunity, they're going to see that you're granted this job opportunity. They're going to see that you're granted some sort of stability within a home, or you may move into a new home, or you may get into a new partnership, which actually results in a marriage. And this is something this person wants desperately, but they're going to see you get it first. They're going to see you being more energized, going into a new cycle, being more positive, possibly owning your own business as well. Like this person's going to see your glow up. Everything they sent out to you is going to backfire. And for some of you, you're going to actually witness it.